Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you are in good healthy. Let me introduce myself. My name is Merulandari, with name D2142 from Engineering Informatics Class E. This time, I will present an article. These presentations in the final project of the English course. Okay, let's start it. The title of my article is Formalization and Knowledge Representation in Advanced Engineering Informatics. Okay, next. The article I present was published in the year 2022 by Anna Publication. Okay, next. The research method used in this article is qualitative methods, but there is little debate about that analysis techniques in the study up to this point, and there are no clear convention for how to methodically address research issue. Research should be able to use skepticism about empirical findings because scientific methodology ought to be quantifiable in their methods of acquiring understanding. Okay, next. In this article, the sampling technique is probability sampling. Probability sampling means the sampling method is random. Using this sampling method, all members of the population are assumed to have an equal chance of being selected as the research sample. Okay, next. The sample of this article is engineering knowledge that is multidimensional. Okay, next. The result of a research from my article, there are two important things: ontology validation and validate a prototype. Ontology validations is the practice of developing certain that its basic assumptions reflects its designer's motives. The process of creating conceptual frameworks is subject to mistake, and its challenge to construct conceptual framework in such a way that they really do not enable for unsanctional such as the emergence of psychologists that are not statistically prevalent domain knowledge tools like Prototype, which was previously established, have construction research that can automatize identify epistemology flaws. Okay, for to validate a prototype, inform technicians or undergraduates to use it to elevate an engineering challenge. Such methods could provide a great deal more your substations, but the must be intended very true if they are to be effective. For starters, there was a propensity to over-structure the experimental setting by asking The research subjects narrow tasks involving the working model. Logic in enabled things deal with engineering challenges in a substantial different way the previous possible. Okay, next. Other theories that support the findings of the research is theory epistemology. To create conceptual models, scholars often use epistemological editors like Prototext, which make it possible to create knowledge layouts that portray the concepts that have been observed. And the last, conclusions, with the goal of dedicating current research effort toward developing conceptual modeling in designer and while we contain the explicit knowledge is the primary engineering research for the growth of techniques that also optimize system engineering but profit engineering with devices that enable them to do, to do so stuff they never had before. We recommended that future research do a systematic and complete literature evaluations as a follow-up to this article in order to feature expand on the topic of EIS. Okay, thank you listening my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.